And in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to delete your Facebook block list. So let's get started right away. First of all, let's open up our Facebook app over here, and now let's go ahead and touch on the search icon right here at the top. And now all you want to do is search for block. And the very first result that shows up is Facebook shortcut saying, blocked people, review and add people to your blocked list. And then I can basically select that and it gives me a whole list of everyone I've blocked. If I want to unblock someone, I simply press unblock and it will ask if I'm sure I want to unblock this user. And then it will warn you that you must wait 48 hours before you can block them again. Moreover, Facebook does not allow you to block and unblock people all the time without waiting a short period of time. So you can unblock anyone from here, and if you want to block someone, you could simply go to add to block list and type in their Facebook username or email address. So this is how you can get onto the Facebook block list relatively quickly. Please let us know if you have any questions in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe.